Playing Roblox on a low-end PC and your FPS keeps tanking? Let's fix that. Step 1. Go into Roblox settings and set graphics mode to manual. Drop the graphics quality down until your game runs smooth, usually around 2 or 3 for low-end PCs. Step 2. Turn on FPS Unlocker. Just download Roblox FPS Unlocker 2025 from GitHub. It lets you go past the 60 FPS cap and makes the gameplay smoother. Step 3. On Windows, go to Graphics Settings, add Roblox, and set it to high performance. That makes your GPU handle it instead of your CPU struggling. Step 4. Lower background usage, close Chrome tabs, Discord overlays, or anything hogging RAM. Even Spotify can cause stutters on weak PCs. Step 5. If it's still lagging, drop your Windows power plan to high performance and update your GPU drivers. And there you go, smoother Roblox on even a potato PC. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.